Welcome to my channel. GrowTube, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and click the bell icon.
The living room is cozy with fairy lights and a colorful blanket fort. Toby is arranging snacks as Tilly walks in with her overnight bag, looking excited.
Tilly, you're here! I've been waiting all day for our sleepover.
Hi, Toby. Your house looks amazing. Look at that blanket fort. It's so cool.
Thanks. We're going to have the best sleepover ever. I've got games, movies, and snacks.
All this fun is making me super hungry. What's for dinner?
Oh, I know. Let's make my favorite food, pizza.
Great idea, Toby. Cooking together will be so much fun.
The two head to the kitchen, ready to start their pizza-making adventure. The kitchen is brightly lit with bowls of flour, water, and other ingredients on the counter. Tilly ties her apron, while Toby bounces with excitement.
First, we need to make the dough. Here's the flour, water, and yeast. Toby, can you help me mix them together?
Mixing. I'm ready. Watch my super turtle strength.
Toby stirs the ingredients with exaggerated movements, puffing flour into the air. Tilly giggles, covering her mouth.
Careful, Toby. You're turning into a flour monster.
Oops, but look, the dough is coming together.
They knead the dough together, Toby sticking his tongue out in concentration, while Tilly hums a cheerful tune. The dough is rolled out, and Toby spreads tomato sauce across it with a big smile.
Now it's time for the toppings. What's your favorite, Toby?
Pineapple and extra cheese.
Yum! I'll add bell peppers and mushrooms. Let's make it colorful.
They sprinkle the toppings together, laughing as Toby tries to toss pineapple chunks into the air and catch them on the pizza.
This pizza looks amazing already.
It's going to taste even better once it's baked.
Tilly carefully places the pizza in the oven, and Toby helps set the timer, his eyes wide with excitement.
Now we bake it for 10 minutes. Let's set the timer together.
Tick-tock, tick-tock. I love timers.
While waiting, they do a silly dance, twirling and singing a made-up song. Spin the dough, spin it high, pizza's baking, oh my.
Toby, you're the best dancer ever.
Thank you, thank you. Now let's see if our pizza is ready.
The timer dings, and Tilly opens the oven. Steam rises as the room fills with the delicious smell of pizza. Toby's eyes widen in delight.
Jumping up and down. It smells so good. Can we eat it now, Tilly, please?
Careful, it's hot. Let's let it cool for a minute. Careful, it's hot. Let's let it cool for a minute.
This is the best pizza ever. Thank you, Tilly.
You're welcome, Toby. Cooking with you is always so much fun.
Let's make pizza every sleepover.
Deal, but next time, you're in charge of the toppings.
The two friends laugh and clink their pizza slices together, like a toast, waving. Bye, friends! Try making pizza at your next sleepover. Thanks for watching my channel, GrowTube. Don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more, and click the bell icon.